Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to build an app with Streamlit and LangChain. Here is the app we'll create. We'll enter the OpenAI API key here. After that, we write a question in this area and then the app will return a response. Awesome, we've seen the app we're gonna create. Let's get started. First, let me create a folder named My First App. My First App. After that, let's open this folder VS Code. Here you go. To boot the app, let's set up a virtual environment with Anaconda. First, let's open the terminal and select command line. Let's write conda create -- name streamlit env. When you run this command, virtual environment is created. Now, let's activate this environment. Let's type conda activate streamlit -env. Awesome. Let's go ahead and install the necessary libraries. To do this, let's create a file named requirement.txt. Let me press this button. We're gonna write requirement.txt. Okay, we've created the file. Let's write the library we're gonna use here. Streamlit, LangChain, and OpenAI. Now, let's install these libraries. To do this, we're gonna use pip. Let's say pip install -r requirement.txt. It's done. Our environment is ready. Let's go ahead and build our first app. To write our code, let's create a file named streamapp.py. Let me write streamlit_app.py. Our file is ready. Now, we're gonna create a title. To do this, let's import Streamlit first. Import Streamlit as st. Okay, what we're gonna do now is create a title. To do this, we're gonna use the title method. Let's write st.title. Let's pass my first AI powered app. Awesome. Let's run the app. To do this, we're gonna leverage the streamlit run command. Let's write streamlit run streamlit_app.py. Nice! The browser will open automatically. You can see our title here. Nice! Our app is running. Let's go back to our VS Code. What we're gonna do now is create a sidebar. We're gonna use this bar for entering the OpenAI API key. Let's create this bar. Let's say st.sidebar.text input. Let's give a name. OpenAI API key. Let's check out this bar. Let me refresh this page. Here you go. Here is the sidebar. Our app worked great. Let's go ahead and assign this key to a variable. Let's say OpenAI API key equal. Great. We can use this variable where we want. Let's move on to defining a function. This function will take a text as input and display a response. Let's say def. Let's name response. Let's pass input text. Now we're gonna create an OpenAI model. Let's say LLM equals. Let's call OpenAI first. OpenAI. Let's import this OpenAI from LangChain. Let me write import LangChain.llms import OpenAI. After that, let's specify the temperature parameter. Let's set temperature equals. Let's pass 0.7. Let's set the OpenAI API key parameter. OpenAI API key equals. Let's copy this and paste here. Nice! To get information, let's set st.info. Let's set LLM. Let's pass input text. Nice! We've created the function. Let's go ahead and create a form for accepting user provide prompt input. We got an error. Let me fix this. Let's write here from. Okay, let's create our form. Let's write with st.form. Let's pass my form. Let's create a text area. Text equals st text area. Let's pass enter text. Let's specify default text. Tell me a joke. Great! We created a text area. Let's move on to creating a submit button. When the user clicks the submit button, the response function generates an answer. To do this, let's set submit equals st form submit button. Let's pass submit. Nice! We've created a submit button. Now, if the OpenAI API key is entered incorrectly, we wanna display a warning message to the user. To do this, let's use the if statement. If not, OpenAI API key dot starts with st dash. Now let's show a warning message. st dot warning. Let's write please enter your OpenAI API key. Let's specify the icon parameter. Let's select one icon. Okay, we've created a warning message. Now, if the user enters the API key correctly, let's use the if statement to generate the response. To do this, if submitted and OpenAI API key dot starts with st dash. Let's write our function. Response. Let's pass text. Awesome! We created our form. Let's check out our app. Let's go to our browser and refresh this page. Nice! Let's try the default text. First, I need to enter my OpenAI API key. Let me pass my key here and press enter. It's time to run. Let me just press the submit button. Here you go. An answer was returned. Our app worked great. Let's try another example. Let me write 3 tips for learning NLP. Let me press the submit button. Here you go. You can see 3 tips for learning NLP here. Yeah, that's it. In this video, we've seen how to build an app with Streamlit and LangChain. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon and like the video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.